Hello everyone, I am Khanam. This is my 7th video in React series, and in our previous video we have seen this simple challenge. We have just created one heading, paragraph, two ordered list here. Okay, this is my first ordered list and this is my second ordered list. Now in this tutorial we are going to learn about JSX expression. Okay, we have seen what is this JSX elements. This is called as JSX elements. It is looking like HTML, but actually it is not HTML, it is JSX elements. Now we are going to see what is JSX expressions. I'll just remove this entire thing from here. I'll be removing this. I'll save this. Now inside my browser I will not be having anything. Okay, it will be empty here. I don't have anything now. Now I'll just explain you what is JSX expression. This is my JavaScript file. Okay, I'll just write here JavaScript file, and inside this I'll just come here. Inside this I'll be having my JSX elements here. I'll just write here JSX elements. Inside this JSX elements, if I want to use JavaScript again, that is called as JSX expressions. I'll just write here JSX expressions. Okay, this is my JavaScript file, and inside this JavaScript file I'll be having this JSX elements, and inside my JSX elements, if I want to use JavaScript expressions, we will be wrapping that JavaScript expression inside curly braces. Okay, inside curly braces I'm going to wrap all my JavaScript code inside my JSX elements. Okay, we will see an example on this. Okay, here inside this I'll just come here. I'll be creating one variable. I'll give my variable name as my name. Okay, inside this I'll just give here Khanam. I'll save this. Now I want to display my name inside my JSX elements. I'll save this. Okay, this is my variable my name. Now if I refresh this one, you can see I'll be getting the output as JSX expression my name, but I want whatever value I have initialized to this variable, I want that value should be displayed in my browser. Okay, so I have told you, if I write JavaScript inside my JSX elements, I have to wrap that inside this curly braces. So for that, this is my JavaScript now. This I'll be wrapping inside curly braces. Now if I refresh this one, you can see I'll be getting Khanam as the output. Okay, this is how it works. If we just create some variables, and if we want to use that variables inside our JSX elements, we have to wrap that inside curly braces. Now again, if I just create one more variable, I'll just change my variable name here. I'll just give here f name, which stands for first name. Here I'll be giving color, and inside this I'll just give here black color. Now I'll just remove this. I'll be writing this. My name is, I'll just change my variable name, and my favorite color is. Now inside curly braces I have to write this variable. I'll just copy this one, and here I'll be pasting that one. I'll save this. Now if I refresh this one, you can see I'll be getting the output. My name is Khanam and my favorite color is black. Okay, we can use any JavaScript code here. Now again, inside this, below this I'll be creating one paragraph, and inside this paragraph, if I want some random value, okay, for random we have this math.random, and I just want it to find random numbers between, I'll just give here 100. I'll save this. Now if I refresh this one, each time I'll be getting this number. Okay, each time different numbers I'll be getting. Okay, only from 0 to 100 I'll be getting this. Okay, I'll be getting this output. Okay, random numbers I'm getting. If you want to find the integer, you can just give math.floor. Okay, here I'll just come here. I'll be writing this math.floor. I'll just close this in flower braces. I'll save this. Now if I refresh this one, you can see I'll be getting only integer part of that. Okay, whatever JavaScript code you want to write inside JSX elements, we have to wrap that inside curly braces. Only then it will work. We can also perform calculations here inside curly braces. If I want to find 7 into 8, I'll just give 7 into 5. I'll save this. Now if I refresh this one, you can see I'll be getting 35 as my output. Okay, without giving this curly braces, if I just try to multiply this one, I'll save this. Now if I refresh this one, you can see I'll be getting 7 into 5. I'll not be getting the output. Okay, to get the output, we have to wrap this inside curly braces. Only then it will work. Now the main important point is, I'll just write one comment, and inside this comment I'll just write one important point. We can't use conditional statements. We can't use conditional statements like if, while, do inside our okay, this is the important point you have to remember. We can't use any conditional statements inside our JSX elements. Example, if I just tell you here, if I just create one H1 and inside this curly braces, if I just give some expressions here, I'll be checking the condition if 1, which means that true. If 1, I'll just give here alert, I'll be giving 1, and else I'll just give here alert, I'll be giving 2, alert, I'll just give here 2. I'll save this. You can see I'm getting this error. Okay, I'm getting this error, expression expected, which means that inside my JSX element, this is my JSX element, and inside JSX element, inside JSX expression, I can't use this conditional statements. Okay, because you can see here inside curly braces, whatever I am writing here, that is producing me a result. 7 into 5, I'll be getting 35 here. If I just refresh this one, now I'll be getting an error. You can see I'll be getting this error. We can't use conditional statements like if, while, do inside our JSX elements. Okay, this is the comment I have written. Okay, we can't use this conditional statements, and here I am getting this error. This error occurred during the build time and cannot be dismissed. You can see here directly I am getting this result. If I just comment this entire thing now, if I just comment this, I'll save this. Now if I just refresh this, you can see I'll be getting this output. Okay, directly I am getting this result 35, and here also I am getting this result Khanam, and here I am getting this color as black. Okay, directly I am getting the result, but here I am checking the condition. If it is true, print me this one. If it is false, print me this one. Okay, here I am checking the condition and then I am printing the result. So that's why it is not going to support this one. Whatever I will write inside the curly bracket, that should be returning the result. Okay, it should not check any condition. Directly it should be returning me result. Only then it will work. I'll just remove this now. Now inside this curly braces I can perform anything. I can also perform addition here. I'll save this. Now if I refresh this one, you can see I'll be getting this output. Okay, this is how it works. This is called as JSX expression. Inside my JavaScript file, I'll be having this JSX elements. Inside JSX elements, if I want to use JavaScript variables or if I want to use any JavaScript, I have to wrap inside curly braces. I have to wrap inside curly braces, and that is nothing but our JSX expressions. Okay, this is all about JSX expression. We have seen this. We can't use conditional statements inside our JSX elements, and inside JSX expressions we can't use at all, because inside curly braces whatever we are passing, we are getting direct result. We are not going to check any conditions and return the result. We will be getting direct results and we will just print that result in our browser. Okay, that's all about JSX expression. Thank you so much for listening. Have a great day.